never in a million years did I ever think that I would be the one ordering fish and she would be the one ordering the chicken and pork. A dish like this, I cannot imagine having it without rice. It's really becoming Pinoy now. This water is almost knee deep. Wow. Little pools of water.
Slug. Such a bubbly.
Some people want it all, but I don't it all.
Well, the Sycamore Island is really known for a lot of good restaurants, but I think it seems like we found the best one around. The Bellevue restaurant. It's right next to the church that we just went to. We are looking forward to having our chicken and bubble sisig, and also bangus, which I'm personally looking forward to the most. And it's a nice place to get some drinks. It looks like very, very nice atmosphere. The food is here, and it looks and smells delicious. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. Thank you, sweetheart. Especially the bangus. That's gonna be my favorite thing here today, I think. And never in a million years did I ever think that I would be the one ordering fish and she would be the one ordering the chicken and pork. But this is the kind of life that we're living now. I'm really starting to enjoy fish more and more each time I have it. Oh wow. Between the bangus and the sisig, I don't even know which one I like better. They're both so good. It's a little on the fatty side, a little too much taba for my taste, but the flavor is amazing. It's just the perfect amount of spiciness in here. Oh my god, so good. And a dish like this, I cannot imagine having it without rice. It's really becoming Pinoy now. And these leaves, I don't know what they are, whatever they are, it tastes really good. Gabi leaves. These gabi leaves?
Leaves for lying.
You're lying.
No, the leaves are lying.
No, the leaves are lying. Yum. And the bangus was a little bit on the fishy side for me. When I squeezed some calamansi juice on it, it really became awesome. Oh my god, so good. I'm loving it. Ang sarap talaga. Amazing. No?
Can you say that we're running out of gas? Say it.
We're running out of gas. We have to refill.
Yes, please, ate. Para sa vlog. Picture.
Now entering the Cantabon Cave. This is the pathway towards the entrance.
Okay, so we have the same entrance and exit. So the cave is 800 meters. Okay, so let's start on the one.
I wonder if see anything.
This water is almost knee deep.
There are other like minerals there in the stones, glistening stones here.
This one called the Ilan or Column. Yung iba tinatawag na it's like the broccoli.
Wow.
Formation.
And look at this.
This is what we call the water terraces because it looks like the banana rice terraces.
Yeah.
Yeah, the formation.
Little pools of water.
Yeah.
It's drinkable. It's very clean.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a first for me. I've never done this before.
That's a really amazing natural jacuzzi. Rock looks like a turtle shell. It's pretty amazing looking. And there's a natural shower that we got to enjoy. So nice. And this pool was actually big enough to swim in. Well, the beginning of the cave is the most difficult part by far. Wow, look at this shelf.
This is flat. Like as if it was chopped off the
Yeah.
cave. What happened?
Ask Mother Nature. Whoa, oh look, something's growing. I can see the light. Well, that was pretty exciting. How much fun was that, huh?
Oh my god.
That was really cool.
I'm feeling like an old lady at some parts.
Some parts.
Da.
I'm proud to say that I felt really at the top of my game the whole time. Well, some parts of it were a little difficult to crawl through.
Oh my goodness.
In the very beginning, like my back was kind of having a little difficulty walking in a crouch position like a crab. But that was only for a little bit.
Well, there were times, like there were parts where being short is an advantage.
Yeah.
But having long legs is also an advantage.
I think it's more of an advantage actually to have long legs. That really helped me out a lot.
But it's still fun.
Yeah, and neither one of us got hurt, which is the main thing.
I mean, we went there for the challenge
Yeah, it was pretty
and
challenging.
the adventure.
Yeah, that definitely checked off that box, right?
Yep.
Thanks, come again. What else? Maybe someday we will. Awesome, that was really cool.
Such a baboy. Shlob.
Well, after a long day of trekking around the island on the bike, we're back in monkey business and finally going to try that veggie burger that I've been looking forward to, and of course having my San Mig light. Khrys, on the other hand, is going for some interesting sounding chicken fried rice. Yeah, maybe after dinner we'll stay up for a little while longer somewhere to lounge around, maybe get another drink.
Or just listen to live music. It's fun.
Yeah, that's something we didn't have enough of on this trip so far.
Maybe we can go to that place after dinner we can go there for a drink and then listen to live music. Maybe after I have some food.
Yes, our food is here. Or at least mine. Wow, that's a veggie burger? Are you kidding me? That's huge. Thank you. Oh my god, that's amazing. Look at this. And by the way, another little piece of magic happens today. We got our table, our usual table here in the corner. That's pretty cool. Now let's see what the chicken is gonna look like. The manok. Fried rice chicken. So I was watching somebody eat a hamburger with a knife and fork, and I thought it was a little weird, but looking at this one, I can kind of tell why, because who the hell can fit it in their mouth? It's incredible.
let's give this one a shot. Wow, well, let's see how I'm gonna tackle this one. It's so big, and by the way, the meat patty looks more like, I mean, not the meat patty, but the veggie patty looks more like an actual hamburger than most that I've seen before, but wow, this is... Let's see if I can just press it down enough to make it edible.
Wow, oh my god. Oh yay, thank you.
It's really good. Wow. Nice, and let's see the fries.
I think they're sweet potatoes. They
tell.
don't look like normal fries.
Yeah, they are different. They have a different, like, drier texture. Well, at least they're not oily or soggy. So they're pretty good. But the veggie burger, I have to say, it's really nice. And now for your main course. That's a nice looking bowl.
Fried chicken rice. Fried rice chicken. Chicken fried rice. Something like that.
Wow, the meal was really good. Enjoyed the hell out of it, especially the burger. The rice, the chicken rice was kind of on the spicy side even for us, even though we tend to like spicy foods. But what's even more surprising is what happened to this place. Looks like we scared everybody away. We cleared the place out. But yeah, now we're gonna go
Live music.
across the street to check out some live music and get some drinks. Let's check that out. Daxa. Yes, they do have live music. That's cool. I really like the atmosphere here. It's a bit the prices are kind of off the wall.
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If they ain't you, baby,
Oh, they're here. The guy
don't be
so
direct. So just everything, but everything means nothing. If I ain't got you.
So, I got myself one of my favorite beers, Hoegaarden from Belgium. It's a really, really beautiful beer. It's very similar to American beer called Blue Moon, which is used to be my typical go-to. But this one is a close second, and I really like the fact that they have it over here. And rum and coke for Khrys. So that's how we're gonna be spending our evening here. Wow, it's a lovely, lovely beer. And the atmosphere is really awesome. Plus, we have some company from earlier today. Our diving team. Well, this was a really fun outing, but time to go back to our resort because tomorrow is another day. We have more traveling to do. Getting ready to go back to Dumaguete, meet up with my friend Alex, and have another exciting adventure. So this is me signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss out on any of my videos. And please stay tuned for more from the Time Lapse Traveler.